Kokbora koktaina roman script vai khlaina ne bagai shanmong ti shawai tesa mahakrane bus kango kotumlaimang khlaika tsf kotumlaimang khalaifuro arwo 5 manjak faine tsf rogno romoi edinogor police ground tlangai thanga police rock sateklaiba avuri sakango bo kokbora koktaina tebe roman script ne shanmongo education department te mahakrane simi jengsho lamo kotumlaimang khlaimane tsf motha shong wide vai hafauno memorandum bori khabora phiaba different students rogni ashanmong tabu fanu shopong riako haste hafang teis rangshalo tesa agini shan mono tewi no kothum laimong khlaika tsf ashalo bidan sababo अधिवेशन chole jongfro mahakorane father what hansake angaina shanmong khlaileka tsf mothasong fiaba hafar tongflana ni sakang no kothum laimong khlaine rono police banotish hawoi eba bano dawai telangai thangka ashalo koktum thunderne buskango tsf ne asu phangshaka kadungma shalromoi roman script no tewi question papers namna ne bagai shanmong khlai phai mani fiaba tawaksuk zorawa hafangne khaktai mongsabu shepna harjakliya tifra vidansabha wa a issue no tewe kok sathong awani faising go naharine vidansabha choli tongfro kothum laimang khlai khabora awani sakango bo IPF tine adong eba montri shuklasaran wa jeno tewi bo joli laimang fonoka tsf ni achuk phang
sunukha sunu tripura board tripura university roman script website kayo tpsc bo sunu kayo on competitive exam rago TSR telang prubo even in the TSR ni poso arbo roman script use klayu but singtam no kat double standard in the Tripura board examination I don't understand what is the reason ang buji maya kintu sing double standard nu katam standard nu suru bengali script kaisulu sami use klayu on Tripura TSR telang prubo roman script use klayu mizo subject no lusai subject no roman script by question paper print kaimanu and bon by tam allergy nang jaka je kok borok ka borok use klaya klaya roman by pali language Tripura board to bin official or boni Tripura board ni order nai ke roman script use kayo mizobo use kayo roman script but kok borok ni bagai tangi klai mania question abanu government borok decision nang lai immediately amon solve klai nang lai
parliament or ni assembly rogo ba hino orok lai ka satam sanai
kok borok bai no sai tongu tabuk abono assembly or coverman saitong kaham kok belai sing appreciate klaya bono kintu all board examination no tangi borok roman script no include klaya abono disonara nanglai je roman script no use klainam kintu government kun policy kri je bangla no simi use klainani bon kun policy kri ambagi sing request kayo government of Tripura immediately issue no solve klaidi tambai inke amoni issue solve klaya ke future belai ham yang nai tai Tripura wo kama androte bo ngai an bagi amo immediately solve plan nang tambai ke roman script by question paper set kama borok kori maya bangla by borok kori men by answer kam kori maya nge dictate klai maya borok they cannot be dictator
thanai salo lukha sang mantri neta mantri no khorang minister no khorang tisar ne je dor khorang tisar mane abo no khorang buzor pine minister basai ma khani wan sum
borok buzor tin tisar tisar ama taw bong paper Tripura ni lukurok nuknai Tripura lukurono decide khlainai minister of heritage tisaya opposition leader tongsaba Jitendra Chaudhary bokhorja koborok sanai being an opposition leader bokhorang tisar nango tabuk ruling ni MLA tongo BJP ni MLA ro jon kuthai pujak IPF ni minister tongo bormunam sukla tura nuatia
angki sama kebeng sinai do orto bebo sinja boron nugi tongang borok korse executive administrative ngai noma sawkisa nongor demand to logical no tongo fiaba obo nonok saiman tongo ungko kre nonok kisa ma konai permission sarano rally khai tong police no ma konai
ke borom gunang sukla tura nuatia boni khorang tisaya being minister IPF rono sungna musungu boni demand to tong kri cover roman script ni I don't know if I am not given the rights to access my fundamental rights, and I don't know where it is written that we are not allowed to sit. We are very peaceful.
Bureau report, Kok Kharang.